Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we're building a simple, powerful morning routine for intense focus. This is not about perfection. It's about starting your day in a way that clears your mind, protects your attention, and gives you real momentum in the first hour. When your morning is strong, the rest of the day becomes easier. Focus is not a mood, it's a system. Build the system once and it will carry you every morning. Why this works? Your brain has a natural wake-up chemistry in the first 60-90 minutes. Light, movement, breath, and a clear plan switch your mind from sleepy and scattered to calm and targeted. We'll use these tools in a specific order so you feel alert without stress. You'll get a full version about 45-60 minutes, a short version, 15 minutes, and a 5-minute late start, reset you can use on tough days. If you have health conditions, be gentle with breathwork and cold water. Skip anything that doesn't feel right for your body. Step 1. Tech-free wake-up and posture reset 2 minutes. As soon as you wake, keep your phone on airplane mode for a few minutes. Sit up, place both feet on the floor, and do a slow stretch, arms overhead, chest open, neck gentle side to side. This tiny move tells your nervous system, I am safe and ready. When you look at your phone immediately, your brain jumps into other people's priorities and your focus gets hijacked. Give your mind a small window to wake up clean. Step 2. Water and morning light 5 minutes. Drink a full glass of water. Dehydration makes your brain foggy. Then get natural light in your eyes, go to a window or step outside. 2 to 5 minutes is enough on a bright day, 5 to 10 on cloudy days. Morning light switches on your brain's daytime mode, lifts mood, and anchors your sleep-wake rhythm for tonight. If it's still dark, turn on bright indoor lights and get light outside as soon as you can. Step 3. Wake-up movement 5 minutes. You don't need a big workout, just wake the body. Do 30-60 seconds each of brisk marching in place, gentle squats, wall push-ups, and arm circles. Breathe through your nose if you can. Movement increases blood flow to your brain and blends your body into your focus. If you prefer, take a short walk outside for 5 minutes. The combination of light and movement is a natural espresso for your mind. Step 4. Calm focus breath 2 minutes. Sit comfortably. Inhale for 4 counts through your nose. Exhale for 6 counts through your nose or mouth. Repeat for 10 cycles. Longer exhales signal safety, lower stress hormones, and sharpen attention. Keep it easy. You're not forcing the breath, you're guiding it gently. 2 minutes can reset your whole morning. Step 5. The 310 plan 7 minutes. Take a notebook, write 3 lines. 3 quick tasks you will batch later, messages, admin, errands. 1 most valuable work, MVW block, the single task that moves your life or work forward. 0 distractions during your MVW block, no phone, no inbox, no tabs. Then answer 2 questions. What does a good day look like in 1 sentence? What is the first tiny step for my MVW? Make that step so small you can start in 2 minutes. Examples. Open the document, outline 3 points, set the timer, write the first paragraph. Clarity reduces friction. Friction kills focus. Remove it now. Step 6. Environment setup 3 minutes. Set the stage. Put your phone in another room or on Do Not Disturb. Close all tabs except the one you need. Full screen your work window. Place water beside you. If you use music, pick instrumental only, lo-fi, white or brown noise, or soft ambient. If you can, use a site blocker for social media during your MVW block. What you don't see cannot pull you. Step 7. Caffeine timing nutrition and energy optional 5 minutes. If you drink coffee or tea, consider waiting 60-90 minutes after waking before your first cup. This reduces the mid-morning crash for many people. Pair caffeine with a glass of water. If you eat breakfast, choose protein first to steady energy. Eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu scramble, protein smoothie, or oats with nuts. If you prefer to work fasted and you feel good doing that, keep it simple. Water, coffee, or tea and start your MVW. The key is steady energy, not spikes. Step 8. Deep Work Sprint, 45-90 minutes. Set a timer for your MVW block. Choose 45, 60, or 90 minutes depending on your day. Say out loud, one thing only, start. When your mind wanders, and it will notice it, smile inside and gently return to the task. If a thought feels urgent, write it on a sticky note and keep going. Finish the block, then take a 5-minute break. Stand, stretch, sip water, look far away to relax your eyes. This is where progress happens. One honest block in the morning can change your whole week. Short version, 15 minutes for busy mornings. If your time is tight, use this quick flow. Water plus light 3 minutes, movement 3 minutes, breath 2 minutes, 3-1-0 plan 4 minutes, and a 3-minute start on your MVW. Yes, only 3 minutes. The brain loves momentum. Even a tiny start lowers resistance and makes it easier to return later. Late start reset, 5 minutes for hard days. Missed your alarm? Don't quit, reset. Do 2 minutes of light and water, 1 minute of movement, 1 minute of breath, and write one sentence. Today's one win will be X. Then do 5 minutes on that win. 5 clean minutes beat 0 perfect minutes every time. This keeps your identity intact. I'm a person who focuses daily. Night before prep, the secret. The best morning starts the night before. Spend 5 minutes to tidy your desk, lay out your notebook and pen, and write tomorrow's MVW as a single sentence. Put your phone to charge outside the bedroom if you can, and set an alarm label like "Focus Block starts now." Dim screens and lights 60 minutes before sleep to protect tomorrow's clarity. Focus rules that protect your morning. Your phone is a tool, not your boss. Avoid inbox and social apps until after your first MVW block. The world can wait 45, 60 minutes. News can wait. Messages can wait. Your future cannot. If you must check in early because of your role, give yourself a tight window, for example, 3 minutes to scan for true emergencies, then close it and return to your plan. Make it stick, habit stacking and identity. Attach your routine to things you already do. Wake up, water, light, move, breathe, plan, start. Same order, same place. Start small and be consistent. Tell yourself, I'm a focused person who starts with one honest block. Identity drives behavior. Behavior proves identity. Each morning you repeat this, that identity gets stronger. Parents, shift workers, and crowded mornings. Do what you can where you are. Push the stroller outside for light and movement. Use a bathroom window for 2 minutes of daylight. Do chair squats while the kettle boils. Record a 30-second voice note with your 310 plan and listen to it on your commute. If your schedule flips, keep the same sequence when you wake from your main sleep. Water, light, move, breathe, plan, start. Your body will learn. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't dive into your phone in bed. Don't skip light and then wonder why you're foggy. Don't make your MVW too big. Small, clear starts win. Don't stack sugar on an empty stomach if it makes you crash. Don't promise yourself a 3-hour marathon if your life allows 45 honest minutes. Precision beats fantasy. A simple 7-day challenge to lock it in. For the next week, run the routine at your level: full, short, or reset every morning. Track it with 3 boxes on paper: W, water plus light, P, plan, S, start. Check each box you complete. At the end of each day, write one line: my MVW block equals minutes and my win equals result. By day 3, you'll feel the lift. By day 7, you'll trust the system. A final word to you. You don't need more motivation, you need less friction. This routine removes friction. You don't need a perfect life. You need one honest block that proves to your brain, I can do what matters. When your morning becomes steady, your mind becomes steady. When your mind becomes steady, your work gets deep and your life gets lighter. You are ready. Drink the water, get the light, move a little, breathe a little, write the one thing, start. One focus block can change your day. Many focused mornings will change your life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.